Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well. Have you ever had problems creating ebooks or you want to create something that looks a little bit more professional than what you're doing now? Then stay tuned for this video where we're going to cover a specific type of program that is a one-time purchase and will help you turn your ebooks into one of the most professional looking type of ebooks out there. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to Modest Coaching. My name is Danielle. I'm so glad that you're here for another video. I truly believe that no matter what circumstances you grew up with or what situation you're coming from, that you can learn affiliate marketing and have it be a great source of passive income and make that life-changing income that everybody's been looking for. And today in this video, we're going to cover the specific type of program that generates ebooks, and it's really great. And I've actually purchased myself, so I'll be showing you my screen here just momentarily. But I wanted to go over real quickly why I think ebooks are quite important. So one of the best ways to engage with your community or your audience is by creating content that's very engaging, such as creating a blog, doing a Facebook group, or doing a YouTube video. And one of the other ways we can broaden our audience or get more traffic coming to our different places of work is by creating what's called an ebook. Now, an ebook is essentially, most of the time, it's going to be a digital copy of something that you create that is content packed. And let me explain to you two things of why I think ebooks are a great next step if you are struggling with your traffic. One of the reasons is the ebook can easily be downloaded, and it's a download that you can use to then capture those emails and those names that you're looking for. So if you have, let's say, a Facebook group like I do, and you want to have new members that are going from your fan page or from your private page, and you want them to convert them into group members, then maybe what you can do is you can run an ad where you can put on a free ebook. And in order to get the ebook, they have to just enter their email and enter their name, and therefore they get the ebook, and then they can become part of your group. That's one of the best ways because it helps you build your email list, and it just helps build your traffic and audience in the first place. Later on, we'll go over the benefits of building an email list. One of the benefits, just real quickly to mention, is the fact that you can sell your email list at a later date. So if someone has the same niche that you are in and they're looking to broaden theirs and you're looking to change your niche, then you can go ahead and put your email list up for sale. But that's a different video for a different time. Now let's move into what item number 2 is. Item number 2 is essentially, if you don't want to offer your ebook for free for like a membership-based place such as your Facebook or your YouTube, then you can put it up for sale on platforms such as Amazon or Fiverr or whatever other platform you can think of. Now, when you go and put your ebook on one of those, then you're looking to actually make a small profit on what you're selling your ebook for. Now, it might be where you maybe have a limited time offer where the ebook is free for the first 14 days to whoever signs up when it's first offered. And then maybe after that, you sell it for $9.99 or whatever price you think that the content is worth. Just remember that people are looking for your ebook on purpose. They're looking for specific things and specific keywords. So just keep that in mind when you're creating it and putting it on those different platforms. So now that you know what the advantages are of an ebook, without further ado, let me introduce to you what program that I was alluding to at the very beginning. It's called Sqribble, and I, like I mentioned at the very beginning, have this as my own personal program that I use. It's cloud-based, which means that you never have to download an actual program to your laptop or to your Android or to your PC or whatever you're working on. And then you don't ever have to have an app either. So no matter what, you don't have to use any additional memory that is on your tablet or your phone or your iPad or your PC or your laptop. So essentially, it allows it to go a lot quicker. And one of the other things that's great about it is that when you purchase the one-time price, it comes with 60 free templates. It used to be 50, but now they have 60 free templates that you can use. The coolest thing about this is the fact that you can actually take a blog that you maybe already created and take all the text and images and paste it into their templates and have it be essentially recreated into a professional looking ebook. So you don't have to do the second amount of work to take your blog and recreate it into an ebook on your own. It'll do it for you. Same thing as if you do a Word document or if you do some type of Excel spreadsheet. Most of the time it's a Word document that's going to work the best, and you can copy and paste the text and the images just like you would off of a blog, which I think is really, really cool because once again, it's just repurposing your content that you've already done. Maybe it's a blog that got a lot of engagement and you want to reach an even bigger audience. You can use that same context. So I really quickly, before I let you know how much it was, I just want to go through what it looks like after you download it. So let me go through the emails that you're going to get, and let me show you what the dashboard and the home page is going to look like. So let me turn on my screen and we'll go from there. See you in just a second. If we actually go to the home page, and we go to Sqribble, this is what the home page is going to look like. So the really cool thing is it does have training, so you can go up to this top corner and click on training here. This is actually where they recommend in that email where you start off with, so you can go through this whole entire thing talking about the prime tutorial, masterclass training, which it looks like it's a start tutorial is about 13 minutes. It looks like the masterclass is almost 2 hours, and then part 2 is another 6 minutes. So it looks like it's pretty thorough. I haven't gone through it just yet. I have seen demos before from Sqribble, and that's mostly why I'm promoting it, is just because the demos that they actually provide are actually quite thorough, and it's really cool to see how they take just a Word document and turn it into something that looks very, very professional. So I think that's really, really cool, and really something that a lot of other products don't really offer. And once again, it is cloud-based, which means all I have to do is go to somewhere that has internet and I can easily get onto it. So if I go back to home, it shows you where you can start off with and all the different things you come with. It does say your membership. So bronze, I believe, is just the base. It is the base that I bought. I only bought the base I only bought the base for the system. This tells you what all the things you can get access to if you end up wanting to purchase more. Maybe ebooks are really the thing that you want to go with because you're a great writer, or that's the best way that you know how to communicate to your audience. Maybe that's maybe you're in a niche that has people who want to read books rather than look at posts or watch a YouTube video. So maybe that's the best access. But the next thing is under projects. I haven't started any projects just yet. I would assume that once you actually start a project, you'll find it here. You can search a project, or you can create this new one here. I'll go through that here in just a second. But the nice thing is that here are all your templates. And like I said, it used to be 50 as your base, but now it's actually 60, which is really quite cool. So in here, you'll see all the different types. There is a lot of affiliate marketing stuff that goes along with it, but I wanted to show you that there also is, here's your easy weight loss diet and your body workout. And if you're a kitchen, lottery jackpot millionaire, there's just a lot of different little things on here. And also maybe if you want to write like a mini story to get people engaged, maybe it's a mini story that's your background, just something that's a little bit more different, and they really look quite professional. So I'm actually going to go up to this one, Make Money Online. I'm going to take a look at what the template's going to look like. So this is what the table of contents will be. It just sort of gives you an idea of what's going to go on, what's going to look like. And looking at this, that's really what a lot of them would probably look like. Ebooks aren't going to be too long, but the nice thing is if I choose to go with this one, so if we hit use, let's just say affiliate marketing, oops, there we go, and create your ebook. And this is all in real time, so it is pretty quick. Okay, so I can go in here. So it has paragraph, it has the different settings. So if you go to settings, it pulls all this up. So you can adjust everything from font size to where it's located to color. You can choose a radius if you want to do a background to it. It's really, really cool. The next thing you can do is if you come down the image, the same thing. You can change the image width. So if you don't like it, you can come up here, you can move it around. It's really cool program, and it's a really easy just drop in load type of program. You can go to different elements over here where you can go to different images and paragraphs for each different page. So you can see what's the header, what's the headline, and what's the paragraph. If you don't want to see something, maybe I don't want to see this paragraph, which is lit up in green, then I can go over here and hide it. Or I can go back and I can unhide it. Same thing. You can also go here if you wanted to copy something. Maybe you want to have the same type of text but in a different area. You can do that. If I didn't want this, I can hit the X and say, yes, I'm sure, and it gets rid of the text. And then maybe I want to take this image and I want to grow it in height. Let's say I want to make it 700 in height instead. So there you go. Reposition it. All right. that looks better, right? So it's really, really cool. You can do your grids also, which I'm a very visual person. So if you want to make sure everything's sort of spaced correctly and everything looks pretty uniform, you can put your grids on. Colorize is pretty much, once again, it's taking a whole bunch of different color palettes that actually work really well. So these are going to be colors that don't clash too hard and are going to be those warm colors depending on what atmosphere you're going for. So if you know, for me personally, I'm more of a white, blue, black type of person. I really do like the simplistic colors. So I would probably choose the CrossFit colors, and it automatically ups your CrossFit colors. So you can take that and you can change the different colors. If I wanted the blue, you can go ahead and change that as well. So I thought this was a really, really cool program. I'm going to jump into it a lot more, but I think this really is the best program out there based off of all the reviews that I've seen and all the different products that have been made from it. So if you're looking to expand your business, I really, really do believe that Sqribble is the best one to start off with. And now that you've seen an example, I'm going to show you guys what it's going to look like as far as pricing. So just stay tuned. All right, so there you go, guys. That was an example of what Sqribble's going to look like once you purchase it. Now, I did mention it's a one-time purchase. It was $67 for me. There is a coupon that you can click on. I didn't follow that coupon just because I just wanted the basics. So there is a coupon you can use once you click on the link. But not only is there a base, there are a couple different add-ons. One of the add-ons is called Prime, which essentially means that you're going to get 15 new templates every single month, which I also thought was quite cool. So you're always going to have something new every single month. You're always going to have something new coming out that's working now. And a lot of the times they change the very key aspects of maybe what it looks like or how big the headings are versus how big the text are. So you're going to get 15 new templates a month. You can go with the Pro option, which is essentially the base, but you add on another 90 to 100 templates that are for free. So if you don't necessarily find something in the existing base bid or base buy, that in that first 60 templates you don't find something that you're looking for, you can always go and purchase the additional 90 to 100 templates by purchasing that Pro. The third one is called Fantasia 3D. You might have noticed that little tab while we were on the Sqribble website. Essentially what that is it's going to be helping you create more of a pop-out 3D image on your cover. So if you're looking for something that's a little bit more eye-catching, maybe when you post on like Amazon or Fiverr, you want something that's eye-catching, then you would probably want to purchase that Fantasia 3D cover. It also allows you to do flipbooks. So if you are in a niche that is a lot maybe related to food or maybe related to artwork or DIY, maybe that's a better option to go for because you can create flipbooks using the same program, which is quite interesting. But those are the three main add-ons. There are a couple other ones that are sort of miscellaneous, so you can check that out once you purchase that base value and just sort of figure out what you want to do. I will mention that I will put in a 7-day free trial link if you want to do a 7-day trial. It will still ask for a credit card, I believe, but it'll only be 7 days, and if you don't like it after 7 days, no harm, no foul, you can get rid of it. But I really hope that you take a moment to at least look at it, go through the program, and see what type of advantages you can take. So that's the end of my video for today. I hope you guys found it helpful. I really do believe that Sqribble is going to be very impactful for my business, and I think it'll be as well for yours. Just like normal, if you have any types of questions, please let me know and drop a comment down below. If you want something that's answered, maybe that's a little bit more personal of a question, or maybe you don't want to necessarily have everybody see the comment or question, feel free to email me at info@daniellelavenger.com. You can always reach out to me there. In the meantime, I hope you guys are having a great rest of your day. I'm going to have a great rest of my week, and I will see you guys later. See ya.